Morpher Wallet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to my Morpher Wallet Full Review. Links to the product are in the description below. Morpher Wallet is designed for crypto users who want to easily access and manage their digital assets with a particular focus on seamless trading and low fees. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning you have full control over your private keys, enhancing security and privacy. It's primarily aimed at users who are looking for an efficient way to trade, store, and manage cryptocurrencies without the complexities found in traditional crypto platforms. One of the standout features of Morpher Wallet is its integration with the Morpher Exchange. This allows users to trade a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, and more, all within the wallet. You can perform trades instantly and at competitive rates, thanks to the decentralized nature of the platform. Morpher Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and provides quick access to your assets, which is perfect for both beginner and experienced traders. Security is a key strength of Morpher Wallet. With no custodial services, your private keys are only stored on your device, ensuring that you maintain full ownership and control of your funds. The wallet also uses strong encryption to protect your data and transactions. It's also very user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes navigation and trading straightforward, even for newcomers to the space. However, one downside of Morpher Wallet is its limited number of supported cryptocurrencies compared to other major wallets, which might be restrictive for users with a diverse crypto portfolio. Also, while its integration with the Morpher Exchange is useful, the wallet may not offer as many advanced features like multi-signature support or hardware wallet integration, which could be a limitation for advanced users seeking more robust functionalities. In conclusion, Morpher Wallet is an excellent option for users looking for a simple, secure, and efficient way to trade and manage crypto assets, especially those who are already using or interested in the Morpher Exchange. While it might not be as feature-rich as some alternatives, it's a solid choice for everyday trading and crypto management.